Chapter 23, Our New Home. We finally built a super cool new building. It's huge, 50,000 square feet. We designed it with everyone in mind, from our team to our customers. This isn't just any building. It's like a giant playground made to help us work better with lean ideas. And guess what? We have over 100 windows, so there's tons of natural light and special lights that turn on automatically. The building even has giant fans and a sound system that makes it feel like summer every day. There's also a fancy kitchen for our team with the best ovens and counters. Our team loves baking, and it makes the place smell amazing. Even the bathrooms are designed to save us time. In the old building, we had to walk around to find an open bathroom. Now, all the stalls are in one spot, and we put in a light system to show when each stall is available. This way, nobody wastes time waiting. Our wood shop is also incredible. It's where we can build things and get creative. With these lean improvements, our building feels like a fun place to work where everyone feels valued and excited to do their best every day. The one thing, once it's built, it's hard to change. When we set things up a certain way, it can be tricky to change them later. That's why it's important to plan carefully from the start so everything works just right. Win with lean. Next time you organize your desk or room, think about how you'd like it to stay. Set it up so it's easy to keep tidy and saves time. Planning ahead makes things easier every day. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 23, we learned that designing your space the lean way makes everything easier. When we plan ahead with smart ideas, we save time and make work more fun. When you create a space that works for you, every day feels smoother and more exciting. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Chapter 20 taught us to help others get better. Chapter 21 showed us that lean is simple and fun. Chapter 22 encourages us to share what you learned. Chapter 23 showed why it is best to organize your space. Now let's go to the last chapter, Chapter 24.